Welcome, in front of me is Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater, and in this video I will show you how to enable cutscene subtitles in this game. In order to do this, you have to go to Options. You can do it from the start of the game or just by pressing Escape and selecting Options if you are in game already. Then in Options select Language/Subtitles, and to enable cutscene subtitles, switch this toggle to on, and once you do that you will be also able to change the style of the subtitles. To apply changes, just press right key or escape to go back, and the changes will be applied automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.